Welcome to the Silver Hour, your trusted space for healthy aging after 50. Have you ever woken up feeling tired, stiff, or maybe a little anxious about your health, wondering how to keep your body strong, your mind clear, and your spirit light as the years go by? You are not alone. Today, I'll guide you through a 15-minute morning routine. Simple, gentle, yet deeply effective, designed to help you stay energized, balanced, and joyful. After 50, after 60, even after 70. Hello, my friend. I'm Dr. Grace. For over 30 years, I've worked with thousands of people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond to help them thrive through the natural process of aging. I believe aging can be a beautiful chapter, not something to fear. And with just 15 minutes each morning, you can help your body, mind, and spirit stay young in ways that are proven by science and by life itself. And please stay with me the very end, because I'll share my favorite, often overlooked tip, a little morning habit that has transformed the energy and mood of so many of my patients. We begin with something very simple, but so important. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of clean water. Why? Because during the night, your body loses water through breathing, through your skin, and every single cell is craving hydration to wake up. Proper hydration first thing helps ease joint stiffness, jumpstart digestion, and awaken your brain. A well-hydrated body is a younger body. Next, let's gently move the neck and shoulders. Especially after 50, these areas hold tension. And when they stay stiff, it can lead to headaches, poor posture, even dizziness. Gently roll your shoulders, circle your neck softly, feel the warmth spread. These little movements, they tell your nervous system, today, I choose to move with grace. Now, let's tend to the spine. A mobile spine is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself in aging well. With gentle twists and flexing motions, we nourish the discs, keep alignment, and support a strong, elegant posture. So important after 50. And now, breathe with me. 10 deep, slow, diaphragmatic breaths. Feel your abdomen rise and fall. This kind of breath lowers blood pressure, calms the heart, and eases the anxious mind. I have seen it help my patients sleep better, think more clearly, and even improve their digestion. Breath is life. And at 50, 60, 70, the quality of your breath speaks directly to the quality of your years ahead. One of the most powerful medicines we have is walking. Just 5 minutes. Outdoors if you can. In the morning light. Light movement oxygenates your cells, awakens your brain, improves circulation to your heart and muscles. And morning light resets your circadian rhythm, helping you sleep better that night. Step by step, one day at a time, we build a more youthful body. Now, let's awaken your strength. With 1 to 2 sets of chair squats or wall push-ups, you gently build and maintain muscle, which after 50 becomes more precious with each passing year. Stronger muscles protect your bones, support your joints, and help prevent falls. Remember, strength is youth. Finally, for this part, balance. Simply stand on one foot or walk heel to toe slowly. Balance declines with age unless we practice, and good balance brings not only safety, but also confidence and freedom. Let's pause now for gratitude. Write down 1 thing, or 3 things, you are thankful for today. Science shows that this small act improves emotional well-being, eases depression, and increases resilience. I've seen patients transform their lives with this one daily habit. Now, gently look in the mirror, smile softly, and say to yourself, I am alive, I am worthy, I am growing stronger every day. Words shape simple morning habits, nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Every day after 50 can be a day of growth, strength, and joy. And here is my personal secret. My patients love this. Spend 5 minutes each morning in nature, if possible with bare feet on earth. Studies show that connection to nature, through light, sound, and even the ground beneath us, lowers stress hormones, reduces inflammation, and lifts mood. And emotionally, it helps us feel grounded, connected, alive. Which part of this morning routine speaks to your heart? Please share below and subscribe to the Silver Hour. Together, let's create mornings and lives that keep us vibrant, joyful, and beautifully alive after 50.